Hey kids, Farmer Claude here, driving my big blue tractor. Today, I want to take you all around my farm and teach you about farm animals. And I've got a lot of different farm animals here, from cows to pigs, chickens, horses, rabbits, and even a smiling goat named Cletus.
I'm Cletus.
So grab your hats and boots and come along, because we're about to take a fun-filled farm tour to meet some of the wiggliest, jiggliest, and silliest animals you've ever seen. Tired of your kids learning from AI? Click here and learn from a real-life farmer. Me, Farmer Claude, on Luna the Magical Pup.